In this video, I am going to show you how to design flyer here in Photoshop. And if you old here, I salute you. Or if you new here, subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So first open a document. I am already create a new document. A document size according to your needs. Now include main file. It's my work folder. So drag and drop here. Create a rectangular tools, then make a shape and change the color. Okay, that's it. So then drag and drop our image and resize it and make it clipping marks. That's it. Text. I'm going to properties and add Nexa bold text using that's it. Now resize it down. Okay, now select all layer and resize again and hit down. Okay. Now our description ready. Just need to alignment properties and alignment there. Now create a new shape and change the color black and select 3 text and change the color black to white. Now that's fine. Now create a shape. Now okay, and create a smart object. Okay, now I am including my main character. Now select magic tool and remove the background. That's okay. Change the color. Write down blending mode and color overlay and change the color. Okay, now resize it again, rotate something, rotate. Okay, and now alignment all layer. I think it's fine. Resize it again and create a new shape. Okay, now visible my another shape and color mode. Okay, that's fine. Now create our main logo. Resize it again. just perfect position to fit our logo and hit OK. Okay, that's fine. Something little bit bigger. Okay, that's fine. Now blending mode, our stroke and stroke color white, scale size 18. Okay, now almost done. Now I am adding some icon. Resize it. Okay, resize it again. Okay, just magic tool and delete. Select and delete. Okay, that's fine. Now I create a new shape. Okay, so create a new shape and fill color black to green. Select all layer. Now I'm select all layer and drop down little bit, drop down. Copy this shape, press Alt and copy this shape. Now I'm carve it, so just go to properties and change the scale. That's okay. It's my final result, so I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.